Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Curiosity for Learning. My apologies for the watermark you will see on the video. Um, Please do comment if you have anything good video maker. Okay, but what we are learning today is a waterfall chart that helps to understand a cumulative effect of the data. And when we make this chart is when we have a negative and a positive numbers. Let me show you an example which I have already made. Uh, this. So this is what our end product would be after the completion of this video. So let's start and make this now, and I'll copy the data which initially doesn't look like this, and I'll paste it over here and start making. So let's say this is our data and you have this. This is the only data we have, the cash in hand and opening balance. So let's start, and what we have to do is separate this data into two parts, that is negative, positive and a base, because base is what would be. So let's go step by step. So yeah, here I would say it is a base. I mean, after one transaction, how much, if it is negative, after deducting what would be the balance. So that will show in the base, and this is negative, this is positive. So what we'll do is, let's make a calculation for negative. First we'll do is condition formula we will put over here. So if your e5 and like, so here I would not put anything, here I will put this because this is the very first day. So first transaction happened as a negative, and we'll start from a negative. What happens now is, so e5, okay, sorry, e5, no, sorry, this this is 0, then change your, so what I've done is over here, if my cash in hand is um lesser than 0, that means a minus, then I'll convert the minus number into positive number, because we have already differentiated in the column wise negative and a positive. So we don't want our number to be negative over here, we just want our number to be positive but in a negative column. So same way, if I put over here, if it is, if this number is more than 0, it's larger than 0, then it will be represent this, or it will represent 0. Okay, so here we get a 0 because that number is not a negative number. Here it is positive. I mean, here it is a positive because it is already in a negative column. So we, by looking at the column, we can make out that this number is a negative number. What will our base? Base will be this, because yeah, once it will follow down, the top the top number would be the, current balance number. So I'm suggesting this. Then we'll, this minus this and plus the, so we get our first number. What I'll do is, I'll copy paste the number, and here we have the final number. If I say still, I'll paste this formula over here as well, so we don't get confused. And now what we do is, we'll insert the chart. The chart what we'll insert is here. We'll go and we'll insert a stacked column. Stacked column over here. Now you can see how our number goes, why we have a number, which is shows. Oh, sorry, my mistake. We will not take the whole number. We'll select only this much. Here, here, here. You see the numbers now. Sorry, I'll just large the image for you to see. Here it is. Here. Okay, so what we have is this is our positive, this is our base, this is our negative numbers. So what we need to do now? Okay, so first of all, we'll have a base gone. We'll have this but a smaller number. We don't want so much. We'll adjust some axis. Axis options. Will put it here. Unlike 10,000. You will have so let's give 20,000. Anyway, if number will here is 20,000. Now we have this. Definitely here is the closing balance. We'll format this. We want to see our closing balance, what we are closing at. So let's keep it blue. Let's have this to be blue. This is our opening balance. Let's have all positive numbers to be green. Let's take green. Oh no, every number. How I say it also. And so red. We'll have this blue. I don't know how it changed to green. Uh, yeah. Oh, okay, here it is. What we'll do is we'll bring this closer. There's a lot of space between the bars. Yeah, you see now it looks much more better now. We don't want this base because base has been removed. We'll remove this. We'll have this chart called cash in hand chart because this is something cash flow. Basically, if you see a data, it will show opening balance at the start of December and the closing balance. I guess the money came till 20 after the no transactions. So yeah, so I'll have a cash in hand over here written. So that's it. That's it. This is how it looks. That is it from my side. Thank you for watching. Please do comment in the comment section if you liked it, and if you really liked it, please do subscribe and click on the like button, and suggest me what you want to see more so I can make the videos on those topics. Thank you for watching.